My name is M. Richa Masha. My register number is URK17CS176. Today we are going to see experiment number 2, that is queue implementation. So the aim is to implement a queue. So let's see the program. So in the program I've created a class A queue with with variables int star queue, int front, int rear, int n. Here I've created a constructor say queue int capacity. So queue is equals to new int of capacity, that is dynamic array we are getting. Here I've initialized front is equals to -1, rear is equals to -1, and n is equals to capacity. Here I have a function say nq int of x, that is to nq an element. If rear equal to n minus 1, that is the array is the queue is full. Else if front equals to -1 and rear equal to -1, then front, that is this is an empty case, that then front is equals to 0 and rear is equals to 0. Else rear equal to rear plus 1. Then you will implement the array in the rear position. So in a queue, the element is enqueued in the rear. In dequeued, if front equal to -1 and rear is equal to -1, then you cannot dequeue an element because the queue is empty. Then else if front equal to rear, that is there is just one element, then front equals to -1, then rear is equals to -1. Else front is equals to front plus 1, and the element in the front is get deleted. Now int peak is to print the peak element, that is queue of front, that is front element, that will be printed. To check if it is empty, you will say front equal to -1 and rear equal to -1, then the queue is empty, else queue is not empty. If full, rear equal to n minus 1 and queue is full, queue is not full. To display, you will use a temp int temp is equals to front. So the elements will be I is equals to temp, that now it is the temp is the front element. Then I less than equal to rear I plus plus, then you will print the queue of I. In the main function, I have created a object of q1 of array size, that is we are getting from the user, and using a do loop I am asking to enter the choices, then using a switch which choice they want to enter, that is if it is enqueue, dequeue or display. So let's see the output of this program. Queue size I will enter as 5, enqueue, so I want to enqueue an element. Yes, I want to again enqueue an element, say 6. Yes. I want to dequeue the element. Yes. I want to display them. So the element is displayed. Let's see the second program. The aim of the second program is to implement a circular queue. Let's see the program for the circular queue. Here I have created a class A circular, again int star queue, int front, int rear, int n. Here I have an constructor that has a dynamic array implementation, and front is equals to -1, rear is equals to -1, n is equals to capacity. Here to enqueue, if rear plus 1 modulo n equal to front, then the queue is full. If the queue is full, then in this condition the queue will be full. Else you have to check is empty equal to true, then front equal to 0, rear equal to 0. Else rear equal to rear plus 1 modulo n, q rear equals to x. So now the element will be enqueued in the rear position. In void in dq, you have to see if the queue is empty. For that is empty of equal to true, then the queue is empty. Else if front equal to rear, then you have to put front equal to -1, rear equal to -1, that is the if there is just one element in the circular queue. Else front equal to front plus 1 modulo n. Modulo n is the total elements in the list in the circular queue. Peak is the peak element, that is front element is printed. This is to check is empty is full, that is if empty front equal to -1 and rear equal to -1, then it is empty. Else if it is full, rear plus 1 modulo n equal to front, then it will be full. The display function using for loop, two for loop. First for loop we will use for counting of the elements, to count the elements. Then in the next for loop, using the count we will display the elements. So see q of front, and then front equal to front plus 1 modulo n, so it will go to the next element and it will print. In the main array, I have created an object of circular q1 of array size, and asking the user for the choice by a switch statement. Case 1 will be enqueue, case 2 will be dequeue, and case 3 will be display. So let's see the output of this program. They are asking the array size. I want to enqueue 7 6. Yes. Want to again element, so 7. Yes. I want to DQ. Yes. And I want to display the element is display. So this is the end of experiment number 2.